Hello, today is the second day of Chinese New Year, and I would like to take this opportunity wish all my partners and customers and all the good friends have a very prosperous year of cow in 2021 and wish you guys all the best. So this week, just following up, okay, the last 2 weeks, I talk about the Seer Network Architecture by H3C. So if you still remember, I'm talking about the infrastructure is very important to support the cloud-native platform, which have the container or microservices. And the SNA Center provide two major functions. The first one is the analyzing functions, and the other one is the engine function that you can push the automations and configurations. And of course, the AI characteristic is built inside the SNA Center. So once we know this architecture, what we do next? We are talking about how SNA Center, this architecture, apply to different infrastructure solutions. First of all, I would like to share with the WAN connectivity, what we call about the hybrid WAN, wide area network. It's very, very common for most of the enterprises. Today, they got like a headquarter and a lot of the branches. And all these companies and enterprise, when their branches connect back to their headquarters, they will hire different kind of WAN link or using a different kind of WAN technology, talking about MPLS, which is more like expensive, but the service can be guaranteed. Service can be guaranteed means the bandwidth and the quality of service. And of course, in terms of the cost, internet is the most cheaper. And then you can think about the 4G or even the 5G connectivity. And right now, the mobile connectivity is quite convenient everywhere. But the point is the 4G, 5G characteristic, right? This is likely maybe pay on demand. So that means if you use a lot of the bandwidth or the data transfer through the network, you need to pay more. So normally you are corporate, the branches may have these three or other kind of what we call the WAN connectivity. When and how and where we use this connectivity to connect to the headquarters and provide the best performance. Sure, if you are doing some kind of a simple internet browsing, you can just use the internet connectivity. If you are running a video conference, you may think, oh, how can I guarantee my traffic? So you may want your traffic running through the MPLS. How this mechanism can be run in your company's WAN network. So we need a very intelligent SNA center to run through. So here I'm going to share another slide, only one simple feature talking about the intelligent traffic steering. What is this? Say for example, if we have, okay, our SNA center deployed in headquarters, and this SNA center has the capability to monitor through the analyzer the characteristic of the traffic and the usage, okay, from the branches. And the branches may now have two types of connectivity. One is more expensive MPLS, and the other is more like a cheaper internet link. Actually, both links can run the connectivity from the branch to the headquarters. But of course, when the end user in the branch, they are doing like a file transfer, web browsing, or access some of the system in headquarters, which is not very time sensitive, normal applications, they may use the IPsec tunnel through the public internet back to the headquarters, which is the most cheapest way. And how about MPLS? Normally, MPLS, you need to buy the guaranteed bandwidth and you need to use it. For some of the important system, video conference traffic, whatever, so this can be running through this MPLS network. And how we can achieve these automations, and sometimes say, if I have a lot of video conference traffic running through the MPLS, is the MPLS bandwidth is enough, or we need to increase the bandwidth, or somehow I can leverage the internet to offload some of the traffic, or through the internet link, I still can prioritize, okay, some of the traffic through the link. So everything can be done through our H3C SNA center. So this is the merit of the SNA with the AI feature. So this week, I'm just to share with you how H3C Seer Network Architecture apply to the WAN scenario. In the coming weeks, I'm going to share how SNA can help in the ADDC, what we call the data center architecture, or even the campus network architecture, and how SNA can give or provide some of the special features to help the end user. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening this week. Bye-bye.